The year was 1998. The world was on the cusp of a new millennium. We were moving faster, learning, evolving, reaching for more. But something was missing. For years, we searched for a boat that could do it all, take on rough waters, go further, and stay out longer. And it was time to find a better way to boat. For 25 years, the WorldCat family has been taking the boating world by storm, providing the most balanced boating experience imaginable. It all started with the revolutionary WorldCat twin hull, bringing stability to any rocky situation and allowing families and friends to find their own adventures. For 25 years, we've been making waves. Thank you for 25 years of a better way to boat.